iceberg tail able to survive. But the damage caused by the iceberg was literally undeniable.
And so we have now pulled back in the series of the captain of the ship. The engines, that part of the ship that drove us through the sea,
Down below,
Kitty!
its designer is working feverishly to assess the damage.